Welcome back, dear friends. Inside this class we are going to discuss about text align last. So what does this mean? I'm just going to show you practically inside this. So I have just a simple div here and a class this called text area. So inside this class I'm just going to copy some dummy text from libsum.com. You can just copy one or two paragraph from here by pressing Ctrl C. You can copy and you can paste inside this div. You can save, go to your web page and refresh. Now we have some text here, just dummy text, not readable. So I'm just going to copy this text area, Ctrl C, dot text area, open these two round bracket. So you can say text align. The first thing you can just do is justify. You can save, come here and refresh. After refreshing, you can focus on this side of the text, because the left side is just arrange line are just in one line, but the right side the text are not arranged. Just refresh. Now you can see this is called justify. So we have already discussed about text align property, but inside this class the topic is text align last. So you can just write here text align last and you can just put this value center, the first value. You can save and just focus on this line just after refreshing. Now you can see this lines is in center. Why it is in center? Because I have used here the center value. If you are writing here right, so the last line will appear to the right side. If you are writing here left, so the last line will appear left, which is by default in left also. And you can just use here justify also, justify. You can save and refresh. You can see on justify it is just covering the last line just by using just the same space between each word. The line will be just complete. You can see this the starting of this line and this the ending of this line. So we have four value for this: justify, center, right or left. So we are just covering every single lecture inside this course, as you can see. So you can just use them anywhere, so you cannot just skip any of these lectures. So you need to practice for all of this. So we are not going to make this video lengthy because it was a short class. I'm just going to end this here. So have a nice time and see you.